Wish you could create pro-level graphics on autopilot? Buckle up, creators. Your wish just came true. Welcome to OmniVisual, the game changer for creators everywhere. Type one keyword. That's it. Instantly unlock a universe of Ultra HD visuals, logos, avatars, and more. No limits. No monthly fees. Just a one-time payment for lifetime access, and every future upgrade, free. Need a logo? Marketing graphic? Viral avatar? OmniVisual does it all. Choose from 30+ AI visual engines, including Midjourney and DALL-E 3, right inside one dashboard. No design skills? No problem. Create photorealistic assets and 360-degree product visuals, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. Own everything you create. Brand it. Sell it. Keep 100%. Forever. No tech jargon. No API headaches. If you can type or talk, you can make magic. But hurry, this one-time price vanishes soon. Smash that link below and unlock infinite visual power before it's gone.